Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best brightest LED headlight bulbs. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The HWSTAR 7-inch LED headlights, designed to deliver exceptional brightness, enhanced visibility, and a modern appearance. Featuring advanced LED technology, these headlights produce a powerful high and low beam output with a precise Z-shaped cutoff line that illuminates the road clearly without causing glare for oncoming drivers. Built with premium components, they provide stable performance and maintain their brightness over time thanks to an efficient heat dissipation system and anti-aging circuitry. The rugged construction offers excellent durability, while the IP67 waterproof rating helps ensure reliable operation in various weather conditions. These plug-and-play headlights are compatible with Jeep Wrangler JK, JKU, TJ, LJ, and other vehicles using 7-inch round headlights. DOT approved for road use, they combine safety, style, and long-lasting performance, making them an excellent upgrade for drivers seeking dependable and powerful illumination on every journey. Number 4. Termitor LED Bulbs, engineered to deliver exceptional brightness and improved visibility in challenging conditions. Featuring advanced LED technology and a crisp 6500K cool white light, these bulbs provide a clearer view of the road while giving your vehicle a modern appearance. The precisely designed beam pattern helps maximize illumination without creating excessive glare for other drivers. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum and a high-speed cooling fan, these bulbs efficiently manage heat for reliable, long-term performance. Their compact 1:1 halogen size design allows for quick and hassle-free installation with no complicated modifications required. The IP68 waterproof construction ensures dependable operation in rain, snow, and harsh weather conditions. Designed for broad vehicle compatibility, these canvas-ready bulbs help reduce flickering and warning errors, making them a dependable upgrade for safer and more confident driving. Number 3. Hikari Ultra LED Headlight Bulbs, designed to provide outstanding brightness, enhanced visibility, and dependable durability. Equipped with upgraded Core 12 LED technology, these bulbs produce a powerful, focused beam that helps illuminate the road more effectively during nighttime driving, fog, rain, and other low visibility conditions. The advanced super-thin chip design creates a precise beam pattern that improves road coverage while reducing glare for oncoming traffic. Built with long-lasting materials, these LED bulbs are engineered for extended performance and reliable operation over thousands of hours. The compact 1:1 halogen size construction allows for a quick plug-and-play installation without the need for modifications. Featuring built-in canvas technology, they help prevent flickering and warning errors in most vehicles. With IP68 waterproof protection, these bulbs are built to perform consistently in a wide range of weather conditions. Number 2. Auxito LED Headlights, engineered to deliver exceptional brightness, enhanced visibility, and reliable performance. Featuring advanced CSP LED chips, these bulbs produce a crisp 6500K cool white light that helps illuminate the road more clearly during nighttime driving and adverse weather conditions. The precision-focused beam pattern provides wider and longer range coverage while minimizing glare for oncoming drivers. Designed with a true 1:1 halogen size structure, these compact bulbs fit seamlessly into most vehicle housings, making installation quick and hassle-free without additional modifications. Built with a durable aviation-grade aluminum body, integrated copper tube, and high-speed cooling fan, they effectively manage heat for long-lasting operation. Canvas-ready technology helps prevent flickering, dashboard warning messages, and radio interference, ensuring dependable compatibility with most vehicles while delivering a modern and confident lighting upgrade. Number 1. SEALIGHT S7S LED Bulbs, designed to deliver extreme brightness and reliable performance on every drive. Featuring advanced CSP chips, these bulbs produce an ultra-bright 6500K cool white beam that enhances road visibility in night, fog, and harsh weather conditions. The precise 1:1 halogen-style design ensures a perfect fit into factory sockets, allowing quick plug-and-play installation within minutes without modifications. Built with a durable aviation-grade aluminum body and dual silent cooling fans, the bulbs maintain stable temperatures for long-lasting efficiency and consistent output. With IP68 waterproof protection and canvas compatibility, They minimize flickering and error messages in most vehicles. Offering up to 120,000 lumens of powerful illumination, these bulbs improve safety by providing a wide, focused beam without blinding oncoming drivers. Engineered for durability, they deliver 10-year dependable lighting performance for confident driving.